Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
I wake up early and start cleaning my small, quiet apartment today. First, I make my bed and smooth the blanket very carefully today. Then I open windows and let fresh morning air come inside gently. I go to kitchen and wash dirty dishes slowly in warm soapy water. I dry the dishes and place them neatly inside the wooden cupboard. Next, I wipe the kitchen table because crumbs cover it from breakfast. I sweep the kitchen floor carefully because it looks dusty and messy. I also mop the floor slowly until every corner becomes completely clean. After that, I clean the stove because small food spots are still visible. I wash the sink gently because it has many small water stains today. I open the fridge and throw away old food that smells quite bad. Then I arrange fresh food neatly so everything feels tidy and simple. I walk to living room and see dust on every small wooden surface. I dust the shelves slowly until each shelf looks bright and clean. I clean the coffee table because fingerprints make the glass look dirty. I vacuum the carpet carefully because small crumbs hide inside the fibers. I shake the cushions softly because dust stays inside them very often. I open curtains widely and let warm sunlight brighten the entire room. Now I go to bathroom and prepare to clean everything slowly today. I scrub the sink because toothpaste stains are visible on white surface. I clean the mirror gently because water spots make it look very cloudy. I wash the shower walls because soap marks cover them in several places. I scrub the toilet slowly because it must stay clean every single day. I change the towels because they look dirty and smell slightly unpleasant. I wipe the bathroom floor carefully to remove all water drops present. I open the window so fresh air can enter the bathroom freely. Then I go to bedroom and see clothes lying everywhere on floor. I pick the clothes and put them inside a large laundry basket. I sort the clothes by colors because mixing colors may cause problems. I start the washing machine and wait while it works very quietly. I fold clean clothes slowly because I want them to look neat. I place folded clothes carefully into drawers inside my wooden dresser. I hang some shirts nicely because they should not get any wrinkles. I clean my bedside table because dust always collects there very quickly. I wipe the lamp gently because it has fingerprints on its small base. I open the window and let sunlight brighten the small, quiet bedroom. Then I check the hallway and notice shoes scattered near the entrance.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
I organize all shoes neatly so the hallway looks clean and spacious. I sweep the hallway floor because small leaves came inside earlier today. I wipe the doorknob carefully because many hands touch it every day. I clean the light switches because they often become dirty very quickly. I hang jackets properly because they were lying on the hallway chair. I wipe the hallway mirror because fingerprints cover the glass partly. I place keys nicely on shelf so everything stays tidy and clear. Now I check the balcony and see dust covering the floor surface. I sweep the balcony slowly because small dirt pieces sit in corners. I water the plants because their soil looks dry and needs some moisture. I wipe the table because pollen makes its surface yellow and sticky. I arrange the chairs nicely so balcony feels comfortable and pleasant. I shake small mats because dust stays inside them very easily. I clean the railing carefully because wind brings dust from outside. I open the balcony door and let fresh air enter living room. I return to kitchen and check the clean dishes once again today. I organize the cutlery drawer because forks and spoons are mixed together. I clean the microwave because food stains appear on its small inner wall. I wipe the fridge handle because many fingerprints make it look dirty. I wash the cutting board because vegetable pieces dried on its surface. I clean the kettle carefully because water marks cover its shiny metal. I check the trash bin because it might be full after morning chores. I take the trash outside and place it inside large container. I return home and wash my hands carefully with warm, soapy water. I tidy the living room again because some items moved out of place. I organize books neatly so the shelf looks clean and very simple. I wipe the TV screen gently because dust sits there very easily. I place remote controls together because they were lying in different spots. I tidy the sofa because blankets and cushions look messy this morning. I vacuum the corners because small dust balls hide there very often. I close the windows slightly because the wind becomes stronger outside. I check the bathroom again because water drops appear after earlier cleaning. I dry the sink carefully because I want everything to stay nice. I clean the soap dispenser because soap drips down its small surface. I replace the toilet paper because the roll is almost completely finished. I close the bathroom window because the room now feels fresh enough. I return to bedroom and see laundry ready inside washing machine. I take the laundry out and place it on my drying rack. I spread the clothes evenly because they must dry in straight shapes. I place the rack near window because sunlight helps clothes dry faster. I tidy the dresser top because small items cover the entire surface. I organize the drawers again because some shirts look slightly disordered now. I check under the bed because dust sometimes hides in that space. I sweep under the bed carefully because I see dust in several corners. I clean the windowsill because dirt collects there after open windows. I close the curtains slightly because sunlight feels too strong now. I walk to hallway again because I want everything looking neat. I check the shoe rack because some shoes are still out of place. I organize the jackets again because someone moved them unexpectedly earlier. I clean the small shelf because small crumbs somehow appear on it. I wipe the front door because dust sticks to its dark surface. I open the door briefly because I want fresh air once more. I walk through rooms carefully, checking if everything looks clean and tidy. I pick small papers from floor because they must go to recycling. I place recycling outside and return quickly to my apartment again. I wash my hands slowly because cleaning takes much effort and time. I drink some water because I feel tired after many household chores. I look around proudly because my apartment looks clean and very comfortable. I sit on sofa quietly because I need a short, simple rest. I relax a moment because the rooms appear bright, fresh, and very organized. I feel happy now because everything stays tidy after my long cleaning. I plan tomorrow chores because cleaning helps keep my home always pleasant. I finish my story because all household chores are completed successfully today.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.